Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that comes in both cans and bags. Black beans. Now, some people are of the opinion, oh, all I want them in cans. I don't want the dried stuff. Others, all I want is the dried stuff. Well, hey, why not both? You have the cans for immediate use, and then you have the dry stuff when you have time to plan out when you're going to be needing to rehydrate them and cook them and get them all ready. But I know as a scout leader, we used to use this a lot in some of the meals the scouts would fix, specifically the Southwest Survival Mix. I actually did a video on that over on Camp Patton Family Compound before I revived this channel. And so if you look for the Southwest Survival Mix, you'll find that I use the black beans in that as well. Now, black beans are really great. They come in a lot. They get used for a lot of other things than just, as plain old beans. Some of the stuff I have in my freezer here is black bean burgers, where they take the black beans, process it, pack it, and turn it into a burger, and you can cook it up, and it's a fat-free, high-protein burger for whatever you want to use it for. But one of my favorite things they used to use that I have not seen in quite a while was made by Frito-Lay's branch company called Simply. They had black bean chips. Oh, those were so good. But anyways, black beans, something you ought to think about adding to your food storage. And try experimenting with it to see what sort of neat meals and stuff you can come up with for it. All right? Before we take off, I'm going to put a link up here to the channel membership announcement. I'm going to put a playlist down here that you might be interested in. I'm going to put a link over here to a video that'll be up here just shortly, and then I'll replace it with another one. It's going to be the channel member giveaway. Then I'll put a link to Camp Patton Family Compound up here.